Good morning. My name is Rafael Sanchez. I just wanted to speak about a little bit about my experience using the NPS platform. My experience using the NPS platform has been astonishing. It is very simple, but yet very informative when it comes to the learning materials provided by NPS. The selection and variety of certs and accuracy was mind blowing when it came to the reading materials and learning materials and even the exam taking. Um, NPS provides very detailed materials on the subjects, just so you can successfully complete and pass your exams, and you can start your advancement in your new career or current career as soon as you complete and successfully complete your exam. Amazing. How was your certification impact? How has your certification impacted your life? Well, NPS certification has impacted my life back in 2020 and still going. Back in 2020, when COVID was at its peak, basically all jobs were getting shut down, besides all the healthcare jobs and all the first responders and any other sort of job that was open at that time. Basically, I had to stop my career as an event manager, where the job of Topgolf closed down due to the pandemic. And it led me back into my dream job, which was going into healthcare. During that time, I didn't know how to get my foot in, even though I had the experience before and everything. So I got an experience of working into the hospital as a patient care tech. During the middle of the year, I was asked to go traveling and do a travel assignment with Aya Healthcare as a patient care certification as a patient care tech, I'm sorry, to go help out the hospitals during the pandemic out in the Midwest, in Wisconsin, where I traveled through multiple different hospitals and different settings and seeing it firsthand myself what the pandemic was affecting and how it affected these communities. During that time, I had my hospital certification, but I didn't have my national certification, which NPS provided for me. During that time, I had a very, very short time frame to get the certification since I was already assigned to the assignment with Aya Healthcare. NPS allowed me to gain access to the exams at a very affordable price, and to really just get the exam, get it done, and be able to further work in my career as a patient travel tech. And it basically saved my career, because if I didn't have that certification within the 2 day mark or the 1 week mark that they gave me, I would have been jobless. So I thank you guys very, very, very much for providing that ease of mind, but that also very detailed oriented study materials and exams that was very easy and very stress free and hassle. I cannot stress how easy and how affordable the exams were compared to what it was in the market. Um, the certification has impacted my life. By now, I am a phlebotomist. I had to take a break from the patient care in the hospital setting, so NPS allowed me to gain my phlebotomy certification. And 2 years later, now I am the supervisor for phlebotomy for LabCorp. So it has really, really changed my life in career advancement to gaining experience that I would have never had just staying stationed in one location. And I thank NPS for that all the time. And would I recommend NPS platform? Yes, and I have. And every time I tell my story about traveling with the patient care tech or any certification that I gained through NPS, I've my colleagues have always wondered, how did I get it so fast, or where did you get this? Since now, with the economics not being so good, it is a very affordable way for my colleagues to gain access to the certifications, but to also advance their career movements in gaining a certification from the platform. Once I tell them that, they are like, what I'm going to do. I already have like 10 colleagues under me that are currently in the program with NPS platform for medical assistant, phlebotomy, patient care tech, and I believe medical records or something. Oh no, EKG technician. I am currently also studying for my EKG certification next, and that will be 3 certifications that I would have with NPS. Again, I thank NPS for the opportunity, even the fairness of it all with the pricing at being a very affordable price, even to gaining the certification at a fast and quick manner. And it basically all depends on you. If you know the materials will be a refresher and you can take the exam, and then as soon as you complete the exam within either minutes or the 24-hour range, you'll receive your certification. And with that certifications, you can do anything and go anywhere and advance in your career. So I thank you again, NPS, for this truly amazing hitting blessing in disguise, because you guys has truly saved my career during a pandemic when everyone was losing a job, to even now currently still advancing in my career. I thank you very, very, very much. Thank you, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.